So I'm doing a custom station. I'm cutting down here, and then I cut out back here and make it into kind of a, instead of a Rambler, it's going to be a pickup styled car. Just one of my, because I got these and this one's pretty damaged here, I've decided just to have some fun. I've taken this off. I'm going to grind this down a little. I'm going to hold on to this. I don't know whether it'll become the bottom of the cab or not yet. We'll see. See, it could fit in there like that. We'll see. Just hold on to it. I'm just going to grind down these steps so we have a pickup. So I've ground off the back. So let's see what it looks like. Can you see that? Yeah. Slaughter in there. Put that down there. That looking pretty cool. Just got to, I mean, it's got pock marks because it's a damaged one, so it doesn't really matter. I got to put some kind of a pickup in the back here, maybe with a little bit of wood strips or something. But you know, it's just cool fun, customizing an old Rambler. Yeah, so I made one insert. I made a first insert to try it out. It was too short, but I just wanted to try it out. Then I made a second insert and the back wasn't long enough, and then I decided I can make the whole insert in one piece. So I traced it and did a third time, and here we have it. It's very nice. And as you can see, it fits in nicely. It's a little tin insert. It needs soldering over the hubs yet. But it comes right in here. Fits into the car. So we have the back pickup, and then I've got this fitting over top. It's always the wrong other way around. It's a strange one, this one, the Rambler. And there you have the pickup, beginning of the pickup here. And this actually goes right up inside here. It's not right in there. There we go. That's better. And then, or can you see this still? This comes in top. That's the right way around, will you, for once? It's going to epoxy in like that. And there's my pickup. Right? Now I've got to put some guards over the hub, some nice guards. And I don't know whether I'll put a wood paneling in there or not yet. But I'm quite pleased with that. So we're going to have our first Rambler pickup. It's going to be very cool. One of a kind. Right, there you go. See, and this will press in once we start epoxying it in. No, just wheel wells. And maybe I'll put some plank, little wood paneling in there, I don't know yet. I kind of like it though. Looks great. I'll take that out of the way. There, I've been polishing and filing the insert out of tin, soldered the wheel guards on, and basically it comes in here, it pops up in the air like that. It's a little tight, but that's good. And then, can you see that? Yep. And then this goes this way, and the plate broke off, of course, from in and out so much, but we'll put a little piece on there later on. I think I'll make another license plate there. So there's my pickup right now. It's not going to be epoxied in or anything. We have a nice back in here. Has a little bit of air in there, but that's not too bad. That's expected. But I quite like it. I might put a little window in the back there. And I'd most likely put some little planking on the bottom of this. I'm not too sure what I'm going to finish it off like. So there you go. I got the custom Dinky Nash Rambler finished. I put an inside in there and a black tarp on the back. I made it into a pickup style vehicle. It was a real old Nash Rambler, and I got quite a few of them. So I decided to do something for fun, and this was my fun project. And I will show you the Bentley one later in the next video. So this is just for the Nash Rambler, and I'll just show you some close-ups of it. So it's all completed. It's pretty good. I would do a couple, but I wouldn't want to do too many of them. So it's just for fun. There it is, all finished. Yeah, I've got into this navy blue, light blue, Turkish blue coloring. It may need a little bit of another coat on top, but I'm not too worried. And there you go. Nash Rambler custom pickup. Totally very rare because it doesn't exist, and there's my specially homemade pop rivet, my latest versions. And you can see I stuck a steering wheel in there, and there's actually a gear shift. There it is, the gear shifter's in there as well. So there you go. Yep. I may paint the little taillights red yet, a little bit dot of red on them, just to enhance it a little bit more. I put the red lights in like I was going to do, and there you go. She's all done with the steering wheel, the gear shifter, custom job.